back to the channel. And for those that are new here, my name is Jay. And today we're going to be lightly touching my experience after 1 month with the iPad Air 4. But before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing because it is free. And don't forget to hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get right into it. So, how has my experience been with the iPad Air 4 after 1 month? Quick spoiler alert, it has been awesome. Now, I know we can end the video right there, but since I love this iPad so much, I figured I'd go ahead and share my experience with you guys. Now, in the past month, I have been using my iPad Air 4 for literally everything. I've even replaced my gaming PC for just using the iPad Air with an external monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse. Drop a comment below if you guys want to see my cheap and simple setup, which I'm pretty sure you can see a little bit of it now, but I'll walk you guys through it if you want to see that, so please drop a comment below. Now, with this simple setup and the iPad Air 4 being the brains of the operation, I have been able to complete all of my tasks with ease, from things like responding to emails, watching movies, video editing, script writing, photo editing. I mean, surfing the web, the list can go on and on. But with the iPad Air 4, I have been able to complete all of those things with ease, and it just amazes me how fast and snappy this thing is. But one of the biggest things is that I'm not tied down to my home office. It is so easy to just take the iPad Air 4, unplug it from the external monitor, and just instantly become mobile. I mean, you can take this thing anywhere you want, and pairing it up with accessories like the Sony keyboard, I can easily turn it into a laptop and just travel and be on the go and just pop it open and be able to use it wherever I see fit. It's just that easy with the iPad Air 4. Such a great mobile device. And last but not least, the most notable thing for me has to be iPadOS. I love iPadOS. I love how fluid it is and smooth, and it is very snappy. And the iPad Air 4 just cuts through every single task that I throw at it on a day-to-day basis. I really believe for anybody who wants to be a mobile creator, I think the iPad Air 4 would be perfect for people that want to be mobile creators. So all in a nutshell, the iPad Air 4 is really a beast of a machine, and I can honestly say that I can see myself becoming a full-time iPad user if my experience stays just like this, guys. I promise you that. So with that being said, that was just my 1 month update with the iPad Air 4. If you found this video helpful in any way, please drop a like because it will help the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch all the videos that I upload on this channel. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.